So something I noticed with Bella is that she's always scratching and always having to chew on her paws, and that's a sign of allergies. So this is something you guys can end up making sure that you guys make sure you take care of. I give Bella PetCo Allergy and Immune Probiotic Chew, guys, and this has really helped her making sure that she gets all the supplements she needs to make sure her fur and skin stays nice and healthy and avoid gets those allergy seasons. So you guys can grab this up. It comes in pork flavor, and this thing is freaking phenomenal. She loves the taste. Look at her, she's staring at it. So you guys can make sure you grab it up for your pets. I'll actually put the link at the bottom for you, so make sure you guys grab it, okay?